morning flash update for this Thursday, the 17th of March, 2022, about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. So, what went up yesterday is coming down today in the stock indices, at least. You can see that. Take a look at these run-ups in the metal markets. They're stellar, big time. Russia is claiming, no, Ukraine's lying. There's no breakthroughs in the talk. Russia's also saying to the U.S., watch yourself or otherwise we'll slap you, that being the U.S., into our place. You better read what they've been saying. Sure they will. As you look at this, these statements certainly are putting bids back into markets that were questionable. You're now starting to rally again in the energy market because peace looks like it's off the table again. Wheat, which closed limit down yesterday, has had a rather dramatic reversal off these statements. It's actually back to higher on the day with the other grains. This is a very hard market to trade. Why? It's moment by moment, different events taking place that you have no control over. We see the American press, we see what's in the press, and then it's changed. Example, yesterday we saw that terrible bombing of the theater in Mariupol, and we were led to believe there could be massive amounts of deaths. Well, as it turns out, the bomb shelter held up. Thank God. And from what I'm seeing, no deaths. A lot of people, over 1,000 people reportedly in there, but the bomb shelter did its job. That doesn't mean the Russians weren't trying to kill the kids in there. They were. In my report today, my written report, I cover in great detail what is a war crime, what countries are part of that treaty. What if I told you the U.S. is not part of the treaty? We're in the wonderful company of Russia, China, and India that are not part of that treaty. It's hard to believe, isn't it? Dollar index down 34 points. If you take a look at the currencies, the Bank of England, they came out, they raised their interest rates, and on that raise, the market dropped. Interesting. Philly Fed Business Index. You talk about a blowout number, and this is what the Fed was saying. The economy's strong. What else can you say with these numbers? The market expected a 15 reading. They got 27.4. Paid index up to 81. Employment index soaring. Same with orders index. Just take a look. All these numbers are strong. Then we get to the jobless claim numbers, and they're both going in the right direction. Down 15,000. The market expected down only 7. And this is what I want to keep seeing. The continuing claims slip away. You can get these gyrations in the weekly, but I want to see continuing just keep slipping away. Federal Reserve U.S. industrial production numbers came out very much in line with what the market was looking for. We get this afternoon the EIA natural gas storage report, and the Bank of England did raise its interest rate by a quarter point and warned that the Russian inflation could send inflation to 8%, kicking up rates even more. Again, you saw a huge drop off the highs of the morning in the British pound. Just to give you an example, got to 132.02. It's down 100 from there, just like in the U.S. Off the idea, hey, if we got to keep raising rates, is that really bullish for our economy? I talk about that and so many other things first thing in the morning. Let me explain what I try to get going for you. The very first thing. I get up typically 3:34 in the morning, and I'm reading away a lot. Example, I've written my whole newsletter for 11:30 this already, and I cover a lot of detail today. I talk about swing trades. I talk about longer-term trades every day. I covered the weekly charts and the daily charts and a bunch of the trades that I'm talking to my traders about, and we're covering 40-plus charts every morning. So the video's about, 15 to 20 minutes long, but on it, when you're looking at this, there's a slide bar on the website. You just grab it. Let's assume you just want to go to the grains. You're there. Energies, just slide it. It lights up in big letters. Tells you you're in the grain section. Let go, it all plays. So you're never guessing which is it. Now, where else does it play? It plays on your free app that we give you with your app, with your subscription. Yes, you get quotes, charts, news, broadcast news, commentaries, oral commentaries throughout the day. And your subscription allows you to get the Linn research, all the different categories that they put out. So you might be interested in that. We've added that again into our new forums on our website. We're forever changing as the business keeps growing. Go to www.iraepstein.com. Under the word research. It's all listed there. It's explained. Sign up at that point. I'm Ira. You have a great day. I'll see you this afternoon with our market wrap-ups. Take care.